Hello, in this video, I'll explain all the different modes on your DJI Osmo Mobile 8. The modes can be changed with the M button. You can see, as I'm changing the modes, it beeps and switches to a different icon. The first one is PTF, which means that it rotates into axis. So when I rotate the gimbal left or right, the phone will follow, as you can see. And when I tilt the gimbal, the phone will follow as well. You can see how the phone rotates as I tilt it forward or back. Then also I can of course use the joystick to move up or down, left or right. The M button now switches to this mode, which will follow as I turn it right or left, but will not follow as I tilt it up or down. As you can see, the phone stays in the same tilt, and I can still use the joystick to move it up or down, left or right. So as you can see, the phone does not follow this movement, but it does follow the right and left movement. Now, when I press on the M button again, it switches to FPV mode. Now, it follows everything. It follows the pan, tilt, as well as a rotation like that, whereas in all those other modes, it wouldn't do that because in the previous two modes, it will always keep the horizon straight. So that mode lets you rotate your phone as well. Now, another one is this mode, which is called SpinShot, and it does everything the FPV mode does, so it also follows in all directions. But if I want, I can use the joystick now to rotate it like so, which I wouldn't be able to do in the other mode, in the FPV mode, because in FPV mode, rotating the joystick rotates pans and tilts. And here it doesn't tilt and it rotates. So that is pretty interesting. Now the last mode that is not on the modes list is lock mode, and to activate it you need to just press and hold the trigger, and it works while held. So when you release it, it will go back to the mode. You can see when I press and hold, it disappears here, and now the phone does not follow. The phone stays in its rotation, in its angle, and it doesn't follow my movements. So that is pretty great. In some scenarios it will be really useful, and once you release it, it follows as in what mode is it. So these are the modes on your DJI Osmo Mobile 8, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.